afternoon, fellow Slovenians.
Dobar dan in dobrodošli.
This afternoon, the Kris Slovenian folk dancing group will reenact a stylized version of an age-old custom called Štefanje from the Posavia region of Slovenia.
Ampak običaj se je začel na Koroškem. Korošci smo bili ta prvi.
He's right. The tradition originated in the Koroška region, but since the 1930s, it is reenacted also in Slovenia. What is Štefanje, you ask? Well, you need a barrel on the pole and men with sticks.
Ampak on je pozabil, da so fantje na konjih in to brez sedla.
That's true. The young men are on horses riding bareback. But since we don't have horses for obvious reasons, Kris will enact a stylized version of the game. You must imagine that the men are on horses.
Kar oči zaprite, pa boste videli konje.
Some say Štefanje is a courting game, where men can demonstrate their prowess to the ladies.
Ampak fantje morajo biti ledek, neporočen.
True, the participants must only be single men. Štefanje is a competitive game, a form of jousting, in which men take turns trying to stab the barrel until it falls apart.
Če so na konjih, večkrat padijo in ne za hec.
Whoever lands the winning blow, that is when the barrel falls apart, is the winner.
Zmaga tist, ki uniči škaf.
The winner gets a prize.
Zmagovalc dobi kolajno, pušec.
Then the girls ask the boys to dance.
Pol se pa zapleše, pozno v noč.
Janez Lekšen, Monika Pokševar. Samuel Mayer, Janika Dzirik. Adam Novak, Julia Tovic. Adam Ribic, Lea Mayer. Nico Novak, Maja Lampic. Nejčič Graja, Rozi Srk.
Danes se pri nas začne, zadnji so že fantje, večve muzikantje, naš nevišteri ljubca, čakava na drsnega, doletno junaku, konj zajo mučno, pojdimo si na Štefanje, ne sreba si, ja ne vini, na drugi sobec vabim se, kot tisti običaj velmi. Pojdimo si na Štefanje, vabim toho, veseli si, nedolgo zmago pa teče, nek nam sreča ne živi, do konja prav pojdi. oj miłości naštěchvania, nas ryba zvíjame na jednu jsou bez barvy se, kozický obyčaj velmi, oj miłości naštěchvania, na pivavu na jednu zmagova neša, na nami sliča na živí. Thank you.